Hey everybody, it's Ian here with Exteriors Plus. I am actually super excited today. I get to take a couple minutes out of my time, jump in front of the camera, and talk to you guys about two very important things when it comes to storm damage and insurance claims. First thing we're going to talk about is the process of an insurance claim. We're going to run through the steps. Second thing in the video, the most important part is the time frame on a claim. So let's go back. Step number one on the process. You guys are gonna want a licensed contractor there to do an inspection. They should be looking at your roof, your soft metals, your gutters, anything on the property that could be damaged, even a detached garage or a playset. It's all part of the insurance claim as a whole, anything that's been damaged. So step number one's done. We found damage on the house. Step number two is you as a homeowner are gonna go ahead and give a call to your insurance company. Let them know that you had a storm come through and your house has been damaged. After you've taken care of step number two, step number three comes into play, and that's where the insurance adjuster comes to your home. Your contractor will then meet them at your home and they're gonna do another inspection, and it's vital that the contractor is there that you're working with, because he is there to point out all the damage that he saw and also make sure that insurance adjusters don't overskip or miss something on your property that has been damaged. Now, once you're done with step number three, your insurance paperwork is gonna come. And what insurance paperwork is the scope of work. Everything that your contractor and the adjuster came to agreement on that needed to be done to fix your home. Now, step number five in the process is meeting with your contractor with the scope of work and picking out your materials, your colors, and picking out a build date. Number six, we get to put your house back together after the storm. We're gonna do our step six is just building the house, building the project, whether it's a roof, stain of the deck, new siding. We're doing the building process. Step number seven is getting the house inspected, making sure that everything was up to code and making sure that a licensed city inspector came out and signed off on everything. Step number eight is meeting with your contractor and finalizing all paperwork. Telling the contractor, yep, everything's up to par on my end as a homeowner, and making sure that you get your warranty paperwork and you make sure you get your final paperwork. That's the end of a claim process. They'll be closed out after that. Your house is put back together. I really hope you enjoyed that part of the video. Now we're gonna get to number two of the video, the time frame on a claim. It is so crucial to make sure that you watch the time frame of your claim. If your house was hit a year ago with a storm, you have typically about a year to 2 years to file a claim and have all the work done. Now, each insurance company is a little bit different on time frame, but what happens is people start a claim and they don't finish in the time frame that they need to, and some of the money will be withheld. That leaves a lot of people paying out of pocket, and that's something you don't want, because frankly, who wants to pay when the insurance should have paid for it? Now, we need to make sure that you have a contractor that knows all about insurance. There's a lot of exterior contractors out there. Some work with insurance, some don't. When you're dealing with a contractor, you want to make sure that they know the ins and outs of insurance, time frames, what insurance, how to deal with insurance, how to deal with the correct paperwork. If a job's underpaid, how are they going to do that? There are a lot of things that are always changing in this industry, so make sure that they know what they're doing with insurance. I hope you enjoyed it, and we have more content over at our Facebook page at Exteriors Plus LLC. Why don't you scoot on over there, take a look at the videos. If you have any feedback, drop it down below in the comments, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.